Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering essentials: a working email, a secure password, and steady Wi-Fi. On a browser or the Switch, open account creation and enter your email and date of birth. This matters for regional content and legal settings. Once done, set a memorable username and a password that mixes letters, numbers, and symbols. Make sure to accept the terms and opt into communications only if you want promotional emails. After submission, expect an email verification code to arrive shortly. Next, verify your email by entering the code Nintendo sends. This prevents impersonation and unlocks account features. Once verified, enable two-factor authentication to add a second security layer. Use an authenticator app or SMS. Configure recovery options so you can regain access if you forget credentials. Then, on your Switch, go to Users, select the local profile, and choose Link Nintendo account so your console purchases, save data cloud, and friends sync to that account. Make sure privacy settings match your comfort level. Finish by adding a payment method if you want to buy games or a Nintendo Switch online subscription. You can skip this and add later. Confirm the account shows as linked on both the website and your Switch user profile so cloud saves and friends lists synchronize. After linking, test by purchasing a free item or joining a friend. If something fails, check junk mail for the verification email, request a resend, and if needed, reset your password or recreate the link from the console settings. That usually fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.